candidate. This will be the search for Mr. Pogi 2025. Okay, so napakasimple lang po ng gagawin natin ngayon. You have to state your name and you have to answer the question na kung magiging ulam ka, anong ulam ka at bakit. And then, para ma-determine natin kung sino ang mananalo, people will have to clap. Kung sino yung may pinakamalakas na palakpak, siya yung mananalo. Okay? So, una, pangalan, anong ulam ka, at bakit. Okay, so, can you play some pageant song dyan para may adrenaline yung mga ano natin? Even a dancing yung okay na yan. Nakasan po natin. Okay, so, once again, you have to state your name, kung ulam ka, ano ka, at bakit. And then, our audiences will have to shout, will have to clap, at kung sino yung pinakamalakas sa malakpak will be the winner. We will begin with our candidate number 1.
Hello, my name is Aaron Kilio, and if ever na maging ulam ako, siguro tokwa. Kasi anak ako ng tokwa. Joke lang.
Hello, I'm Vincent. If ever na maging ulam ako, I think adobo. Kasi mataba at nagmamantika.
Ako si Agramante Manuel Joshua, and kung magiging ulam man ako, adobo man kasi malana.
Hello everyone. Kung magiging ulaman ako, siguro paksiw. Kasi laging sabaw.
Akala ko
Ano
maasim.
kung paksiw ta maalso, maasim, di ba pala? Ayan, so sino ang support kay candidate number 1? Palakpakan! How about candidate number 2? Candidate number 3? Siyempre, ang ating paksiw, candidate number 4?